great pleasure to announce the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between the premier chamber body in the state of Goa and between a premier Goa College of Engineering. Couple of things. One is field visits from their side to our member companies. Also workshops that we would conduct jointly so that both the industry and the academia benefit. Specific field trips maybe outside the state where we feel that the Goa College of Engineering, the students and our members can jointly go and understand processes, systems, technology, because this is the age of technology and we feel that technology plays a major role in shaping up of institutions.
Working with GCCI will give us that opportunity wherein we can meet with, our students can meet with great entrepreneurs and great industrialists in Goa, because Goa is a very unique state. It has got its own challenges. We want our students to become entrepreneurs in this state.